Guess who's back? Finally. I know, I've been missing, but I've decided to come back with something different. I know a lot of you guys are used to be seeing the same entertaining stuff and the same boring stuff as well. Like, at the end of the day, guys, in my opinion, I'm not here to get thousands of views. I'm just here to deliver value. And I don't want to do any entertaining videos. I want to do something educational, something that you guys can watch on a daily basis and learn and grow from. So what I've decided to do is do some daily uploads, which is going to be stuff that I do anyway. So I'm going to be going through product research. Maybe I'll even go through some ads as well. The only problem with ads, guys, is it's a lot harder. It's a lot harder to run ads because you guys are just going to see everything. And there's no point me running ads if you guys are going to run the same product. I'd rather actually take you guys through product research because that way at least we can have a little bit of difference between what everybody's doing. So I'm going to be taking you through some news on e-commerce, some brand new stuff that's been going on. And I'm also going to be taking you through some product research as well. And just how I do product research on a daily basis to always give you guys a new stream of some new products. And if I find any new ways to do product research, you guys are going to be the first ones to know as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the show. So the very first news in e-commerce is Shopify actually announced that they actually managed to achieve $2.4 billion in sales over Black Friday. Now, guys, this is absolutely insane. The scale that e-commerce has managed to achieve during this period of time has actually accelerated it. In my opinion, I thought we'd actually manage to achieve this next year or the year after, but we've already managed to be able to achieve $2.4 billion in sales over Black Friday. Now, what this means is that it's something that you guys can leverage. And congratulations to you guys that have actually jumped in and taken part, because you have actually managed to accumulate, even in a small way or big way, to manage to achieve these results. So pat yourself on the back and get ready for Q1. But without a doubt, this goes to show that people are now starting to get used to purchasing online, and they're now starting to get used to shopping and online shopping as well. If we go down, we can actually see that most of these sales accumulated from New York, they accumulated from London, Los Angeles, and the UK. Now, this is key because in our Facebook ads, where we're targeting the big five. And this is exactly why, because these guys are the most, like, people always ask me, like, why do you target these countries? Like, why are we targeting New Zealand? Why are we targeting Canada? Why are we targeting the UK? And this is exactly why. These guys are the first guys to get on board. So during Q4, these are the companies you want to be targeting. Once you scale, then you want to scale worldwide. And this is exactly why. And as you can see, Black Friday, absolutely insane. Cyber Monday is going to be the same, but next year is going to be even better. I'm predicting 3 billion, 3.5 billion next year, because this is going to be when people have actually got used to shopping online. So if you haven't got involved already, get involved and get building websites online. In other news, we've also seen a whole new world of opportunity with Shopify connecting with Alipay. Shopify has now actually linked with Alipay, and what this means is that you can actually add Alipay to your store and scale in countries which might not have already been targeted. As you know, your average CPM is around about $15 to $20, even more some days in the big five. But if you're going to China, if you're advertising in like Asia, if you're advertising in Brazil, if you're advertising in these other countries, that's going to make your CPM super low, and it's going to allow you to scale past winners as well. I know a lot of people scale in the Philippines, but now this is actually allowing you to scale in China just by using Alipay. Now, for those of you guys that don't know, I've actually got one student that recently joined and he's managed to do 100K in a month. And on that way, we decided to scale worldwide, and we'd use the exact same strategy without Alipay as well. So if we knew about this, if we added Alipay, it would have been absolutely insane. Now, that means that you're going to get 3 to 4 day shipping time because you're shipping directly from a Chinese warehouse as well. So make sure you take a look. Make sure you check out this as well. Alipay, I would definitely test this stuff as well, guys. So the first product we're actually looking at is LED nail clipper. Now, it's actually got an LED on it, so it's been upgraded. And what this allows you to do is keep your dog's nails clean. And for those of you guys that don't know, people that have pets like to keep their nails clean. And this is a product that's already been winning in the past, and it's actually had a fresh upgrade. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to drop point. We're going to use the keyword, keep it real broad. So we're going to use nail clipper, and we're going to find some ads of some other stores that are already running it right now. So the very first product we've got, as you can see here, they're using the exact same thumbnail as the one on Peakstar. So it's not doing too bad. We can definitely improve on this, but this one's already got 4.3k views. So what we're going to do, open this video up in a new tab, and then what we're also going to do is we're going to open the store up as well. So we're going to go take a look at the store in a new tab as well. Now, if we do see any products where they've been running 2-3 months ago and the store is not working, then what we're going to do is just move on to the next one. We want to find stores that are running ads right now. Now, the next thing we're going to do, find it again. So these guys are running a better ad. It looks a lot more visual. We'll review the ad later, but we're just going to open that one up in a new tab as well. Now, we're just going to scan through, see if we can find any more. We only really want to find 3 or 4. We don't want to go too much into depth with this, but let's have a look, see if we can find any more. Going down, we've got one more. As you can see here, this one's actually got a live dog in there as well. And this actually managed to get 35k views, 40 comments, and 26 shares as well. So let's take a look at this store as well. And as you can see, it was actually up 2 months ago. So if these guys are still running ads right now, or their store is still active right now, they're still making money. Now, let's take a look at the ads themselves. So let's open up over here. So the ads themselves are very visually representing. They're showing where the nail is supposed to be and where it is now and how you can trim it to get it there. As you can see, dogs usually get irritated and pets usually get irritated with you trimming their nails without this product. So this product solves the problem. It's visual and it's going to have a high customer lifetime value as well, because people that are using this product every single day, they're going to refer their friends. They might even come back and buy other products as well. And they might buy more than one product as well. So as you can see here, this is actually a great ad. And this would be a great start for you guys that are looking to create an ad as well. Now, I don't actually recommend copying ads like this. What I recommend doing is downloading any of these videos that you see and sending them to your person who creates your video ads. That's going to give them a base to start off with. Now, heading over to the next video. Now, heading over to the next video, we can actually see a different style of ad. This one here has got the same second scene. The first scene, they've changed a little bit. They changed the intro, and these guys have used the same, they use the same 10 seconds onwards as well. So that just goes to show that 2 people have managed to scale with pretty much the exact same ad. Now, that's absolutely amazing. It means A, you can test the product with the exact same ad, and it means B, you can create something a little bit different to actually one-up them and to perform better than them as well. Now, let's take a look at their websites and see if there's anything else we can improve on as well. So as you can see, YGR Rights, which is the store name, has a pretty basic store. And as you can see, it means that there's something that we can actually improve on. This store, in my opinion, is very poor. And if you want to learn how to make winning stores, just take a look at the video up above. And that's going to show you how to make a winning dropshipping store that looks nothing like this. Now, as you can see, they're using images. All the images are the exact same size, which is great. A lot of people make mistakes on that. The next thing is they've got visual images, high quality images of the product. And they've also got step-by-step tutorials on their images as well, which is great. Copywriting is pretty basic. Pet nail clippers and stuff like that. You don't want to be talking anything like that. You want to actually be focusing on the emotion of the product and putting forth the emotion of like why the product's good, putting forward why it's bad for your pets to have long nails. Like, copywriting is a whole different thing in itself, and I would love to make a video about that. But guys, just don't do basic writing like this. Fairly simple. Put an extra 10-15 minutes in it, and you're going to be able to one up these guys on the product page as well. As you can see, they've got main features. Forget the features, only talk about the benefits. Features you want to put at the bottom. 5x magnification. Yeah, so yeah, you guys, this is poor. You guys can definitely do better than this. Free shipping, that's great. They put the shipping too small as well, so that's going to put off customers. It's going to put off customers as well. Like when they see that and the shipping doesn't match the website, it's not that trustworthy as well. So I've got a feeling that ad worked very well, but this is one of those websites where you get tons of add to carts and no one actually purchases, or you get tons of views on your website and no one actually purchases. And this is one of the reasons, because their website doesn't look clean at all. Like this product could go really well in a general store and you do exactly fine, but they're still going wrong with how they're actually designing the product as well. So this product, definitely not a good one. And as you can see, magic tape at the top. So as you can see, magic tape is also a product that they're testing as well. This is also a product that you could probably look at, probably go and test as well, guys, because if these guys are making money, you guys can do 10 times better. Now, the other store didn't go too well at all. So the other store isn't actually even running anymore. So that just goes to show that the ad is working because it's getting likes, comments, and shares, but the product pages are very, very poor. Now let's head over back to Peakster and see what other products we can find. So the next product that I've actually decided to take a look at is the Infinity Scarf. The reason for that is because winter is coming in typical Jon Snow fashion. Winter is coming, and what this allows you to do is leverage winter products with a twist. People have problems and you just need to look at how you can solve them. And this one is one of those products. It's a novelty product. Me personally, I've tested some novelty products and sometimes they just seem to work. And this just seems to be one of those products. It's a visual product. You can definitely get influencers on board. It kind of reminds me of the Snuggie, one of those products that you don't think will sell, but it just ends up selling as well. So what this product allows you to do is actually add like pockets into your, it actually allows you to add a pocket into your scarf. And you guys, you wouldn't believe the amount of people I've actually seen doing stuff like this. Like, with women, when they have fitted clothes and stuff like that and they don't have pockets, they tend to actually like they'll either put the phone in like their bra, or they'll put the phone in like the side of their trousers. So this is the actual problem that could be solved with this product as well. So what we're going to do, same thing as usual, head over to Droppoint and see if we can find some live advertisements. So we're going to do the exact same thing, head over to Droppoint, we're going to type in scarf and see what ads we can find. So type in scarf. So here's one of the ads that we actually managed to find, and actually went viral as well. So surprise, surprise, another product that's actually managed to go viral. This one's actually got over 800,000 views, and it is okay to test. Me personally, I don't test any ads that I've had below 2 million, but just below 1 million is quite okay. It allows you to have some room to grow. So have a look at the ad. It's only got 120 comments, and that suggests to me that these guys are running some type of brand awareness, which means the ad was doing okay. It was profitable, but they probably wasn't going for purchase conversion ads because of the lack of comments. Usually those ads that have tons of views, but tons of comments as well, tend to be conversion ads. And these type of ads tend to just be traffic ads, which don't perform too well, but they would have still been profitable. That's how they've managed to get over to 1 million. Now, let's take a look at the video and see if it's okay. And let's take a look at the website as well. So just before we get into that, I just want to let you guys know, this product was actually last seen 5 days ago. So that means that this product is still working for them as well, but they're doing a few of the wrong things, which means it's already ringing off alarm bells for me, which means I can actually test this product as well, because I can one up these guys super, super easy. So guys, as you can see from the Facebook ad, it's pretty simple, pretty basic. They've got some text on at the top of the screen. It goes pretty fast. Let me just go back to the first 3 seconds because that's the main thing we've got to analyze. This is what people call the attention grabber. It's called the scroll stopper. And in my opinion, if you go 1, 2, 3, in my opinion, the scroll stopper isn't the best. We could actually improve on the scroll stopper. The rest of the ad is pretty good. As you can see, they're going through somebody actually using the product. They're also going through how large the product actually is and the quality and fibers of the product as well. They're also going in with somebody actually dancing. Now you guys can do this yourself. You can actually either order the product. If you're a boy, get somebody else to use the product, or even you can use the product as a male and see if you can scale in the male market as well. They've also gone for a fashion shoot style. And this is actually something you could create a niche store around. In my opinion, a niche store with this product, going for more that higher quality brand, would do actually really, really, really well. Now, the ad itself, pretty good, pretty solid. They haven't watermarked the ad. That's their fault. This also means it's an ad that you guys can use because they haven't watermarked it. You just have to make sure that and check with the supplier that this is probably supplier content. Now, have a look at the rest of the ad. You can see they've got over 30 styles. This goes to show you can actually create a niche store. You can have tons of products on the store. And you can create a real brand around this store. There's tons of brands that have done the exact same thing and gone for more of a branded feel with that. And you guys can do the exact same thing. All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. In my opinion, I'd probably go towards the scarf product. It's got a higher perceived value, solves a problem. It's fashion, and fashion is absolutely booming right now. And it's got tons of other variants as well. So I can see myself creating a niche store with this product, maybe even ordering the product in-house because it's really light and fashionable. And you could also put a higher perceived markup on it if you advertised it right as well. So I definitely test this product. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see me do some more product research, it's something I do on a daily basis anyway, so I'll be more than happy to make those videos. Just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.